Hi, my name is Christina and this is how to crochet bookmarks. Crocheting a bookmark is really fun and they make great gifts for the bookworms in your life. We'll be using a lightweight yarn, crochet hook, and scissors. There's a variety of yarns and threads you can use. Cotton crochet thread or sock yarn make great bookmarks. To start, I'm going to make a loop just by crossing my yarn and then grabbing it with a crochet hook and pulling it through. It creates a slip knot. Next, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and connect using a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1, pass the needle through the center of our loop that we just created, chain 2, and we're going to double crochet 11 stitches. Once you've finished your 11 stitches, we're going to find the top of the first double crochet, pass the hook through it, and slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, and in the first stitch, we're going to do 4 double crochets. In the next stitch, we're going to do a single crochet. And then in the following stitch, 4 double crochets again. Keep doing this all the way around until you've reached the end. And once you reach the end, do the single crochet in your last stitch, and then we're going to connect the two using a slip stitch. Once you've connected your crochet petals, we're going to start chaining, and this is going to create a nice little tail that's going to be the place marker for our bookmark. Using a length of yarn, I'm going to cut it in half, then I'm going to cut it in half again. Using my crochet hook, I'm going to pull my yarn through. I'm just going to pull the yarn through, tighten this green yarn about in the middle. Then using our crochet hook, we're going to pull it through the loop that's created. Now you have a nice little tassel that's tied off the end of your bookmark. Decide how long you want your tassel to be and trim it. The last thing to do is weave your end into your project. Bookmarks are creative projects that make great gifts. Be careful in choosing your yarn so that it's a proper weight for being able to close your book. Thanks for watching.